Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable swiping between pages in Google Chrome step by step. This feature allows you to navigate backward and forward between web pages using swipe gestures on your touchpad or touchscreen device. So let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Next, click on the three-dot menu in the top right corner of the browser. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. In the left sidebar, click Accessibility. You can also type Chrome/settings/accessibility into the address bar and press Enter. On the Accessibility page, look for the option called Swipe Between Pages. To enable the feature, turn the toggle switch on. To disable the feature, turn the toggle switch off. Once enabled, you can swipe left or right on a supported touchpad or touchscreen device to move backward or forward between web pages. If disabled, these swipe gestures will no longer navigate between pages while browsing. The change takes effect immediately, so there's no need to restart Chrome. And that's it. You've successfully enabled or disabled swiping between pages in Google Chrome. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Google Chrome tutorials and tips. See you in the next one.